Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. It is so good to be doing videos again. I took quite a long hiatus because it was very cold. We did nothing. There was nothing to talk about, and quite frankly, I needed a break. So glad you're back. Glad we're going to be talking dirt bikes and RVs and bicycles and anything else that we can come up with that we can teach you guys what we've learned. And that's what this channel is all about, is basically showing you things that we've learned along the way. So in today's video, we are taking the cover that I took off my RV. Now it is still down at the RV park. I just took it off today because it's nice, bright and sunny. And I wanted to take the cover off and spread it out. And I wanted to put it away, make sure that it wasn't dirty. But today is a beautiful day and the grass is dry, and I want to spread it out in the backyard, and I want to show you guys how I fold it. There's a certain way I like to do it, so when I put it in the bag and we're ready to put it away again for the fall, that all I have to do is lift it up to the roof. So that is what we're going to get into now, so we'll be right back. So we got the cover all laid out, and the white here represents the roof. So basically this is the top of the cover, and what I've done is kind of gone through and made sure that it's all pretty much square. Now there's a couple of things. When I was taking the cover off, we have these buckles that are cinched tight, and they're still cinched fairly tight. So what I'm going to do is I have to release these clips, kind of relax the straps. And what we're going to do is completely take all the straps and relax them, so it's all basically laying out nice and flat. Okay, so as you can see, I released the tension on the straps, and now this is all laying nice and flat. So we will get ready to start folding. Okay, so as you look at the cover, it is basically as it would be sitting on the RV, top up. Basically the sides are kind of obviously folded in, but what we are going to do is we're going to start, we have to make sure that we know where the rear of the cover is. This is the back of the RV, and then of course up there is the front. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be folding this inside out, and the reason why is because when we go to put this on the RV, we want to make sure that we can just roll it out and flop the sides down. So what we are going to do is we are going to start from the front. Here's the front here, and we are going to fold basically all of these sides in systematically, and then we're going to get it into a really nice basic, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 feet wide, and we're going to fold all this in, and then we're going to roll this up and make it end at the rear of the cover. So then when I bring it up when I use the ladder to bring it up onto the roof, I can roll it out rearward to forward, and then I can flop the sides out. So I want to be able to fold this to make it so that when I get on the roof, all I have to do is unfold it. I don't have to turn it inside out. I don't have to mess with it. So I'm going to attempt to try and show you that in some time lapse. right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. Quite honestly, this is even more so a benefit to me because now I can remember how I did it. Because last fall I couldn't remember how I rolled it, and it was a bit of a fiasco. If I would have just trusted my instincts, I rolled it from front to back. So when I unroll it this fall, it'll be from back to front, and then it'll flop the sides down. So anyway, guys, I hope you learned something. This is kind of a little, I don't know, just a little starter video getting us out of the spring and getting back to making videos. But this is what I do, and this is how it'll stay until the fall. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Gosh, we are over 700 subscribers over the winter time. So I really appreciate the response, and I try to answer as many questions as I can. So please keep them coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.